Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a rainbow birthday cake. Let's start drawing. Let's draw the birthday cake first. I start with the plate and the top of the cake. Let's draw a cute face. I draw two pretty eyes. Eyelashes. And her smiling mouth. Her cheek. Now let's decorate it. She looks fantastic. I draw some wavy lines like this that are going to be the creamy parts.
Happy birthday to you!
With many strawberries. Delicious! I really like strawberries. Do you? On the top of the cake, I draw candles. Excellent! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. For his mouth, I used two tones of different reds. Pink for her cheek. To color this delicious birthday cake, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink. I start using the colors of the rainbow again, red. Then I use orange, yellow, dark green, light blue, purple, and pink. Light violet.
Happy birthday to you!
I color the strawberries with this red marker. Then light green. Fuchsia for the candles. Yellow for the flame. I color the plate with aquamarine. I love it! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.